Algorand's EMA10 very shows a truly descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. As far as Algo's support floor, it basically is presently 29 cents, which truly is very huge. Algo in a real sense especially rose 15.35% in 7 days, especially certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand for the most part is buy and buy esteemed at 13 cents 07 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part especially walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for exceptionally lovely 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically is somewhat transient cost expectation for Algorand, certainly basically is Algo is sort of commonly wise speculation, which entirely is genuinely huge, which is very critical. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, which in every practical sense, is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Algo specialized examination, in a real sense let us by and large generally discuss the essentially current economic situations, especially kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the especially sort of last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,325,730,169,204 in a by and large huge manner. The by and large in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume especially generally remains at $41,562,812,633 in a very especially enormous manner, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought. Which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in a by and large significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time span in an entirely significant manner, which basically is very huge. XRP, the very local coin of XRP explicitly by and large, is up by 2.1 and right now exchanging at 69 cents in a reasonably enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a for the most part kind of huge way, in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions especially show that the market truly is going in a really descending heading for genuinely present moment, which explicitly fundamentally is genuinely critical, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Right now, a pretty by and large broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a for the most part significant manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which sort of shows that Algo for the most part in a real sense rose 15.35% in 7 days in a kind of especially huge manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers especially explicitly become certainly genuinely more beautiful dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, especially further appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which most certainly is very critical. Or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors truly become move kind of sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that these occasions very show that the market for the most part is going in a sort of descending bearing for entirely momentary in a sort of large manner, which sort of is very huge. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The especially current Algorand cost truly is 13 cents. With an exchanging volume of $61,246,477 in every practical sense, recent hours in an unpretentious way, which is very huge. Presently, Algo generally is up by 2.36% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,706,711,111 United States dollars, showing how following really are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The sort of current Algorand cost especially is 13 cents. With an exchanging volume of $61,246,477 in the decently fundamentally beyond 24 hours, in a sort of essentially significant manner. Algorand value examination Algo cost investigation for 07 November 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period by and large essentially made sense of underneath, sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving fundamentally normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty really straightforward moving, especially in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving extremely normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Algorand. Especially further appearance how similarly, obstruction for the most part in every practical sense, is a level at which dealers in every way that really matters become move pretty dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting that these occasions basically in a real sense demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a really descending heading for essentially present moment, or so they by and large thought. The Algorand by and large has for the most part really break all its entirely upholds levels, and things explicitly are not looking reasonably awesome for the crypto market, which basically is very huge. At present, for the most part bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally take algo cost underneath the vital help level of 29 cents, so which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which basically by and large is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. While Algo's Williams %R marker by and large fundamentally is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange commonly signals certainly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging reasonably most certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination, explicitly let us actually certainly discuss the ongoing economic situations. Which generally is very critical. The Algo United States dollar moving fundamentally sort of normal union and dissimilarity MACD marker by and large basically is demonstrating a very present moment for the most part sell truly signal is the MACD line in every practical sense is moving underneath beautiful sign line which for the most part truly implies truly bears basically are overwhelming on the lookout. In every practical sense, further appearance how as of now, sort of especially bears in a real sense, are in charge of the market and effectively especially basically take algo cost beneath the vital help level of 29 cents, so which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, or so they basically thought.